Hi guys, I'm Sonu from You Can Speak Korean. Okay, we are going to learn about 받침. 받침, the last consonant. 받침, the last consonant, word. Word. Okay, what's the 받침? Let's check it out in detail. Right? Okay, how is the Korean word composed? Alright, there are two types, type 1 and type 2. Okay, as you see, there are three rectangles. Okay, right? Type 1. C is consonant and V is vowel. Right? So C, V, and C. Okay, we call this 받침. We call this 받침. Okay, and consonant and vowel and consonant. 받침. Okay. All right. So, for example, type 1, type 2, consonant here and vowel R and consonant near. 받침. Okay. Consonant here and vowel U and consonant here. All right. Okay. So, 흐, 아, 는, 한, and 그, 우, 그, 국, 한국, 한국, 한국. 한국 is Korea. Okay, it's my country. Okay, 한국, 한국, 한국. All right. But in general, there are some types of pronunciation rule. Okay, so let me tell you one by one. All right, the rule of pronunciation number 1 is this. Okay. 기억, 기억, 기억 is 그. 기억, 그. The sound is 그, 그, 그. 그, 그. Okay, but there's this word 약, 약, medicine, medicine in Korean, 약, 약. Right? So, 야, 야, and 기억 sound is 그. Okay? So, 야그, 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 야그. Okay? But remember, you stop 야그 before it sound. Okay? Before it sound, you stop. Right? 야, 야, 야. Okay? Not 야그. Okay? Alright? So, 야, 야, 야. Okay, how about nian? Nian is n. The sound is n. You know, right? But n, u, nu, n, noon. Okay, no. Alright, just stop before the sound n. Okay, so noon, noon, not noon. Right? Noon, 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 noon. Okay, noon, snow. And digot, the sound is d. Alright, but not g, o, go, gold. Okay, not like that. Gold, gold, gold. Okay, you stop before the okay, the right before you stop. All right, so gold, 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 gold. Okay, soon in English, soon, and real, okay, but not ki, kyoku, ki, r, ki, r, ki, r. No, okay, just stop. Kill, 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 kill. Okay, you get it? All right. One time. Ya, ya, ya. That ya. Okay, ya. Nun, nun, nun. That noon. Okay, nun. Gold. No, gold, gold. Okay, and kill. No, kill, 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 kill. Okay. All right. Pronunciation number 2. Near means m. Near means m, 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 m. Okay, but not g, u, gum, not gum. Right? Gum, gum, gum. Okay, you stop right before m, 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 right before okay, so you stop. Gum, gum, gum. Okay, now gum, right? Gum, gum, dream, dream. And P is p, the sound p. All right. But pop in English, meal. Pop, pop. No, pop, 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 pop. Okay, right? You stop pop. Okay, no pop. Right, pop. Okay, and in, um, 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 Okay, so 그, 가, 강, 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 강. Right? A river, 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 river. Okay? Alright. Here, here is silent. Is silent. 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 Okay? So the here is removed. Alright? So 좋아해요. 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 Like. 좋아해요. Like. Okay? Right. The rule of pronunciation number 3 is this. 쌍기역 and cute becomes 기역, 기역, 기역. Okay? Like this. 부엌, 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 부엌. Okay? Not 부엌, 부엌. Okay? 부엌, 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 부엌. Okay? And 박, 박. Not park, park. No, park, park, park. Outside, park. Okay? And remember, 부엌, park, they are written form. Written form. Okay? Remember. So when you write 부엌, park, these words, you should write this. 부엌, 부엌, 가, 쌍기역, 학. Okay? But when you read 부엌, 학. Okay? And 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티읒, that becomes 디귿, 디귿 sound, 디귿 sound. Okay? For example, 옷, 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 close, 빛, 빛, that. Okay? 빛, 빛, light, pot, 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 red bean, 샀다, 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 bought, bought. Okay? Alright, and last one, 피읍, 피읍 turns to 비읍 sound. Okay, for example, 늪, 늪, no, 늪, 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 right? Swamp. Okay, this is written form. Written form, right? 늪 is written form. Okay, 늪 when you read. Okay, 옷, 빛, they are written form. Written form, remember. Okay, when you read 옷, 빛, 빛, 밭, 샀다, 샀다. Okay, especially these two. These two, 빛 and 빛. Okay, they sound very similar. Okay, 빛, 빛. Okay, but different word. Alright, so I think it's very hard to beginner level. Okay, or intermediate level. Right? So you can tell the difference in a context. Okay, in a context. Alright, so I want you to read various reading articles. Okay, as much as you could. After you get used to the Hangul. Okay, alright. And for rule pronunciation of number 4 is consonant assimilation. Consonant assimilation. Okay, consonant assimilation. Right, for example, these sentences are written form. Written form, alright, but when you read, 야기, 야기 써요. Like this. 야기 써요. 야기 써요. 야기 써요. 야기 써요. Actually, the 기억 here, 기억 jumps up E. Okay? So, the consonant 기억 jumps up. Okay? 야기 써요. 야기 써요. Alright, and 눈이 와요. Okay, like this. 눈이 와요. The consonant 니은 jumps up, right, to the vowel E. Okay, like this. 눈이 와요. Alright, and 전 꿈이 있어요. 전 꿈이 있어요. 있어요. Okay, 꿈이 the consonant 미음 jumps up. Okay, to E. Okay, so 꿈이 있어요. The double 상시옷 jumps up. Okay, here, right? 있어요. Okay, and this one 옷이 예뻐요. 옷이 예뻐요. Like this. 옷이 예뻐요. Okay? Alright, and 태양빛이 뜨거워요. 태양빛이 뜨거워요. Okay? 태양빛이 뜨거워요. Alright? The consonant chewed, here, chewed jumps up. Okay? 태양빛이 뜨거워요. Alright, last one. 늪에 빠졌어요. Okay? The consonant puke jumps up to 에. Okay? So 늪에 빠졌어요. Okay? And here double 당시옷 jumps up as well. Okay? 늪에 빠졌어요. Okay? I'm going to cover the consonant assimilation more detail. Okay? At the next video. Alright? Okay, so today the 받침, the final consonant in Korean words. Okay? There are 4 rules of pronunciation. Right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Right? And I'll see you next video. Okay? Alright. See you. Bye bye.